Computers and electronics are taking over new vehicles these days. The electronic stability control system is one piece of innovative technology which gives your vehicle extra stability and traction on the road. Whenever your vehicle is about to lose traction on the road, the sensor of the wheels will provide this information to the computer. This will cause the computer to automatically activate a wheel brake to stop the vehicle from swerving off lane or road. If you oversteer or understeer, you can expect this to happen too. There are four main functions of electronic stability control system. 1. The system can determine speed of all your wheels. 2. It positions the steering wheel. 3. It helps avoid fishtailing. 4. The sensor controls turn stability. This technology is generally a great one as it helps stabilize your driving experience. Hello viewers, welcome to yet another exciting episode of Auto Xpat, your guide to safety. I am Ilda Shaibo and I've got a lot packed for you today. Stick around.
Hi guys, welcome to DIY, meaning do it yourself. As always on this segment, we show you some basic things that you can check and fix yourself in your car without having to invite a mechanic. Guess what? Today we'll be showing you how to check the right oil specification for your vehicle. It is no longer news that a high percentage of drivers use wrong oil for their vehicle. But if you can't beat them, don't join them. This is what you should do. Now, to check the right oil specification for your vehicle, all you need to do is check the oil cap or check the owner's manual, and that's all. Thank you for joining us on today's segment. See you again, same time, same station. Bye for now.
Make me feel alright, let the thing go complain.
Life at the beginning without a car was somehow, because you know, when you don't have a car, first of all, some people they don't even give you your maximum. Compare yourself like you don't have a car walking, and when they see you inside the car, they'll be like, hey, they respect you. But when you use like the car, nobody sends you now. So at the time, the traffic and all those things, you know, waking up in the morning, waiting for the public transport, those kind of stops. When you have your own car, everything is fast, you know. You just wake up on time, you be on the way, not waiting. The brand of my first car is Toyota, this car. Yeah, it's a brand new. I bought it brand new. Yeah, like 2 to 3 months, depends on the usage. First of all, I check the engine oil. Then I check my car, the radiator water to see if then I check the tires. Then my dashboard, because the dashboard is where you find, when you see those things, where if your car have any fault, that is where you see the faults. So I check my dashboard, I check the side mirrors, and yeah, that's it. I like the sound system of my car and the speakers. This is my song playing, so you can feel the speaker. She happy do, yeah. She happy do, yeah. She happy do, yeah. Yeah, my speed limit within town is at least 40. Yeah, 40. While on express at least 70 to 80, so that in case anything should happen, I'll be able to, you know, control the car. So it's better that way, at least 70 to 80 on express. Well, I don't think it's necessary, but as for me, I would like it though. I would like to have customized plate number. Man on it, back go. Yeah, I did insure my car, so it was comprehensive, but you know, everything is okay with it, and that is cool. Share you the pray for grace, share you the pray for blessings, share you the pray for life. This is Tony Lawz, man. I'm here chilling with Auto Xpat. Keep watching. Good night. Tonight is a good night. Start to cooperate.
know when to change your transmission fluid? For more info and safety tips, watch Auto Expert on the foreign channels and follow all our social media platforms at Auto Expert. For advert placement and sponsorship, call 080-2424-5543. Oil changes are a simple service appointment, but when performed regularly, they can extend your engine's longevity and enhance its overall performance. There are signs that indicate your oil needs to be changed, which are dark and dirty oil, louder noise and knocking, check engine light, exhaust smoke, oil smell inside the cabin. Generally, we recommend most cars have their oil changed 3,000 miles or 3 months, whichever comes first. But most importantly, it's best to check your owner's manual for a more exact oil change and maintenance schedule for your vehicle. This is how we wrap it up on today's episode of Auto Expert. I've had such a wonderful time. Thanks so much for being with me. I remain your host, Ilva Shaibu. Keep watching Auto Expert. It's your guide to safety. And do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Instagram at Official Auto Expert 1, Facebook Auto Expert, Twitter at Auto Expert Pro. And follow me on Instagram at Ilva_Shaibu. Sign out.